Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another video and welcome back to another budget and stuffing my cash envelope video. I hope y'all are having an awesome week. Today is Friday the 26th and we did get paid this week. So we are going to be going over the bills that I need to be paying and how much money I am going to be putting in my cash envelopes this week. Now it's going to be a little bit different because we are going to Disney come Monday and I'm so excited and ready for this long vacation that I have planned. It's only a week, but I feel like I deserve it. So we are going to start up here. And I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit. So on the 26th, I estimated $1,200 and I actually got paid $1,202. So that is a big difference from the last time I got paid. The first time with the $1,337, that came from like working overtime, getting a lot of call for the hospital and everything. So that is what bumped my extra money or my paycheck up. Now on the 26th, I literally only made $2 extra. It's because this had no call, no overtime. This is strictly just working night shift. And I could tell that it is a very big difference. So I'm going to have to come in sometime Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday and get some extra cash in just so I can start my debt journey in August, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Like I said, we made $1,202. Now we are going to move up here and do my bills. As you can see that I did write in insurance because I have to start paying for my insurance now. My mom was paying for it for a couple of months because I let her borrow some money, and to repay me back, she just paid for my insurance for a couple of months. So now I am back to paying my insurance starting in August. Alright, so American Eagle, which is my credit card, it is $84 for total. I already put $42 back, so it will be another $42. And that is actually due on the 1st, so I'm going to go ahead and pay that. Rent is due on the 1st, and it is actually $1,119. So $1,120 split between two people is $560. I already put $282 the last paycheck, so all I have to put in is $278. Alright, and student loans, I only have to put in $64 because it was $127 and I already put $64 and I'm going to put another $64. Light bill is going to be due in a couple of weeks, so I have this paycheck and the next following paycheck, and it is going to be $50 a piece, so that is $25. Mediacom, like I said, me and my boyfriend split that. He mostly pays that, so I just go ahead and send him some money via Venmo. So that is $17. Gym, we're not going to put anything in gym because they literally just took my $35 out of my bank account today because it was due. So we're not going to put anything until next paycheck. Now, car is going to be due actually today. When you are watching this, it will be paid. So that was actually $248 left. Phone is going to be $50. It is a total of, I almost messed that up, a total of $100. And then insurance is usually $145. So I am going to be splitting that also into two different paychecks. So that will be $72 for the first one. Now we are going to add all of this up and see what we get. It should be around almost $800, but we will see. So that's $42 plus $278 plus $64 plus $25 plus 17 plus 248 plus 50 plus $72 equals $796. So I'm actually going to write this right here. So we went a little bit up, so it was $740 last time, but now it is $796. Like I said, I got paid $1,202. So we are going to subtract that from $796, and that is going to be $406 that we can actually use. So I'm just going to write that down. All right, so we are going to flip over. So that is everything that I'm going to be paying this week for my bills. So we are going to flip over through the check-in now. Before we go to the bank, we're going to see how much we're going to put in. Now, I'm just going to tell y'all right now, since we are going to Disney, it is going to change drastically. All right, so for groceries, since we're going to be gone all week, and we already bought most of our snacks that we are going to be using, and we already have a pack of water that we're going to be taking and a case of LaCroix that we bought a couple of weeks ago. So we're going to take that, and we have like chips and fruit and everything that we're going to take down there. So I am going to try, it's usually $100 for groceries, but I'm going to try to do $80. So we will need 420, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8. Gas, we're going to be splitting the gas. So I'm going to try to do $60 in gas again. So that is another 3, 2, 4, and 6. Out to eat, we are not going to put anything in because we are going to use everything in my Disney money that you will see in my cash stuffing video after this video is up. So make sure you check that out. But everything that we use for fun money and out to eat is totally going to go towards the Disney, and that's how we're going to pay for everything. So I'm not going to be stuffing that this week. I will be continuing to stuff it next week though. Sinking funds, like I said, we are only going to be using the Disney fund. Hopefully, maybe I'll bring the gift envelope just in case, because you know my mom's birthday is coming up and then my brother's birthday is in August. So if I can find something at Disney, which is going to be outrageously expensive, maybe I'll buy it, maybe I won't, I'm not sure, but I might bring the gift envelope, but that's about it. Maybe the Christmas, well, I shouldn't bring Christmas because I would just use all that money. All right, and then to at least put $40, I'm just going to leave $40 in there. So I'm just going to do 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just going to leave $40 in there because we did make reservations at one of the Disney restaurants on Epcot. And apparently if you decide not to show up or if you decide not to cancel a day before, then they will charge you $10 per person that you reserved for. So I reserved for 4 people, so that will be $40 if we decide not to go there and if we forgot to cancel. So I'm going to keep at least $40 in there, and that's going to be fine. Maybe $50, I haven't decided yet, but $40 will be fine because I actually have to return something from Amazon, so I'm going to get $10 back. So technically I will have $50, but that is what we are going to do. So we are going to do $80 in groceries, $60 in gas. We're going to use fun money and out to eat for the Disney envelope, and then possibly bring the gift sinking funds, Disney envelope, and then cushions. We're only going to use $40, technically $50 when I return that Amazon. So you guys, that is technically everything that we are going to be paying for and stuffing for, and we are going to run to the bank. It's going to be a super and quick cash envelope stuffing, so make sure you stay tuned because I'm just going to run to the bank and then we will get right back into it. Alright you guys, so I am back from the bank and we got the money out to stuff our cash envelopes. Now my envelope system is from the Financial Peace University, the Dave Ramsey website, and I got it for free because I am part of their yearly class or membership and everything. So this is what I have been using lately. You can go and look at my other videos if you want to see a more in-depth look of it. But we took out some money for our cash envelopes this week. Just a reminder, I didn't get out anything for fun money or out to eat because we are going to Disney, and that is all going to be coming out of our Disney sinking fund. But so let's get started to the stuffing. Now for groceries, like I said, we're not doing $100 this week. We are going to be doing $80. So we do have some cash left over. We have some coins that I'll get rid of later, but we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and $19. So we are going to set that aside for later for our sinking funds. But 50, 60, 70, and 80. So that's going to be for groceries. So that's going to be any snacks that we need to buy for Disney or whenever we come back when we go grocery shopping. All right, and then gas is usually $60, and then that is how much I'm actually going to be putting in is $60. Now I'm probably going to be spending a little bit more because of Disney. Me and my boyfriend are going to be splitting the gas money, but I will probably have to do more than $60, but we shall see. So, you guys, that is literally it. Groceries and gas. Like I said, fun money and out to eat is going to go taken out of the Disney fund. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is one of my favorite videos other than my sinking fund videos. I love to do this every week, well, every other week because of the paycheck. And I just love to see where my money is going. If you enjoy these videos, let me know. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below so I will know that y'all are enjoying these and that I can still produce these videos. I'm so happy for y'all and all the support that I have been given, and I just love you guys. So I will see you guys later. Bye. One quick thing, I just realized that I messed up, but there was an extra $20 that was left over from my gas envelope. I forgot to check that. So now it has $60, and then we have how much left over from, how much did we save last week? It's 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we have $39 that we can use for sinking funds. All right, I'm done. I will see you guys later. Bye.